Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Wooden Crafts Furniture, the channel where we celebrate the beauty of handcrafted design, natural materials, and smart home furniture ideas. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to something truly special, a piece that blends strength, style, and timeless character. This is the Premium Rustic Wooden Bookshelf. Heavy duty, handcrafted, and designed to fit perfectly in any home. Whether you're decorating a modern living room, organizing a study area, or adding warmth to your office, this bookshelf is built to inspire. So make sure you stay with me until the end, because the features of this bookshelf might surprise you, especially when you hear what makes it more durable than many factory-made units. Section 1. What makes rustic wood so special? Rustic wood design is more than just a look, it's a feeling. It brings the warmth of nature into your home. The texture, the natural grain patterns, and the imperfect beauty of real wood instantly create a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Unlike synthetic materials, rustic wood ages beautifully. The color deepens over time, the grain becomes richer, and the furniture becomes part of your home story. That's something plastic or engineered wood can never match. With this bookshelf, the rustic charm is balanced with smooth finishing, clean lines, and a smart layout that fits easily into modern interiors. Section 2. Handcrafted with precision. One of the biggest reasons this bookshelf stands out is the fact that it's completely handcrafted. Every joint, every edge, and every shelf is shaped and assembled with care. This guarantees a level of detail and durability that machine-made furniture rarely achieves. A skilled craftsman checks the wood's moisture content, surface quality, and structural strength before starting the work. Then the shaping process begins, cutting the planks, smoothing the surfaces, and preparing each shelf frame. Nothing is rushed. Each step is done with precision to ensure the finished product is strong, stable, and long-lasting. Handmade furniture carries a soul, it carries the signature of the craftsperson who touched the wood. And when you place it in your room, you instantly feel the difference. Section 3. Heavy-duty strength, long-lasting durability. Let's talk about durability, because a bookshelf isn't just for decoration. It needs to be strong. It needs to support heavy books, display items, and everyday use. This bookshelf is built from solid hardwood, known for its strength and resistance. The shelves are reinforced to prevent bowing or bending, even under weight. The frame is constructed with interlocking joints, adding rigidity and long-term stability. This design ensures that the bookshelf stays straight, firm, and safe, even after many years of use. The finishing includes layers of protective coating that resist moisture, dust, scratches, and termite damage. So you're not just buying furniture, you're buying lifespan. Section 4. Designed to fit any home. One of the best things about this bookshelf is how versatile it is. Its rustic style blends naturally with modern homes, classic designs, minimal spaces, and even office interiors. If you have a small space, it helps you organize vertically, saving floor area. If you have a large room, it becomes a beautiful display piece. You can use it to store books, photo frames, plants, art pieces, and everyday items. Whether you place it in a living room, bedroom, office, hallway, or study corner, it brings balance and beauty to the space. Section 5, Smart Shelving Layout. The layout of this bookshelf is carefully designed for practical use. The shelves are spaced at ideal distances to fit books of different sizes. Taller items like plants, lamps, or vases can easily fit on the upper sections. Shorter items like notebooks, decorations, or accessories fit perfectly in the lower sections. This smart arrangement helps you keep your home organized and visually appealing. Nothing feels crowded. Everything has its own place. Section 6. Why choose handcrafted over factory-made? Factory-made furniture is often cheaper, but it comes with limitations. Lower strength, shorter lifespan, synthetic appearance, less unique character. With handcrafted wooden furniture, every piece is one of a kind. The grain patterns are unique. The joints are stronger. The finishing is richer. And the furniture holds value for many years. For a bookshelf that you'll use daily, handcrafted is always the better choice. Section 7. Perfect for modern, rustic, or minimal homes. No matter what your home style is, rustic wood blends beautifully. If your interior is modern, the natural tone adds warmth. If your home is classic, the design fits naturally. If you love minimal spaces, the simplicity of natural wood is perfect. This is why the Premium Rustic Wooden Bookshelf is such a great seller. It fits anywhere, anytime, in any home. Section 8, Final Thoughts. Emotional Appeal. Many people buy furniture based on looks. But the best furniture is chosen based on feeling. This bookshelf gives you that feeling. The feeling of something real, something natural, something made with hands, not machines. It is more than storage. It is a statement. A statement of taste, craftsmanship, and quality. Thank you so much for watching this video on the Premium Rustic Wooden Bookshelf. If you enjoyed this content, and if you love handmade wooden furniture as much as I do, make sure